Okay, good morning, friends. Let's begin today. So, if you are aware about the uh, time that it is about closure of the semester and completion of the syllabus. Also, you might be just asked to attend the classes regularly because in this semester there is less possibility. In fact, there will be no physical classes will be held. So therefore, better that you people have to make use of online classes. And important thing is that there will be online exam as well as some internal assessment will be there. So based on that, I want to tell you people that your attendance is going to matter. So similar messages are there in your groups also, but still I can see only 46 students are attending the class from division A and division B, which is very less strength. In fact, you people can ask your friends to join the classes immediately so that it is not going to affect or it is not going to make your loss. The things that are in your hand, you can manage, you can attend class, you can just improve your attendance. For that, you people have to just tell to your friends also and try to attend the class as far as your attendance will improve. And accordingly you start studying also as far as whatever the topics you are going, subjects you are going to study in this semester. So there is possibility that exam will be online or sometimes they may. So it depends upon university decision. So what they decide how to conduct the exam. So therefore you just start preparing accordingly. You just don't be relaxed or exam will not be there, will be online or something like this. So we are not learning or we are not going to give exams for marks only. You people have to realize, understand this, that there should be some kind of upgradation or there should be some kind of development within us. So therefore exams are there and not for the getting marks. If you're just thinking from the point of view, you know that how online exams can be conducted and what will be the benefit of it. But as far as personally exams, for me it should be for learning, it should be for uh, knowing more much about your field, about your civil engineering, about anything that you are just having in this semester. So with this, today we will start. As far as CIP is concerned, you don't have any kind of exams, but your attendance may be considered for your other subjects, and so therefore, you people just try to be active for CIP also. So in previous class, if we talk about that verbal analogy, so there we have just finished some kinds of relationships that, if you remember, it was about singular, plural, it was about synonyms, antonyms, it was about part and relation, it was about different kinds of relationships that we people have studied. And based on that, I told you that in this class we are going to have exercise also. So today I expect that students, they should be ready. You people have to read the questions and answer. We are going to practice all together. We are going to discuss each and every question and everything that is possible for us based on this verbal analogy. Okay, so whenever it is possible, you people have to tell me answers orally. If it is possible for you to put your answer into chat box, you can put it into chat box also, but you people have to be active. Okay, so with that, now I will share the screen and you people just let me know if my voice is reaching to you, and also the screen is visible for you people. So all you people just let me know it is fine, it is okay for all you.
Yes, sir, it visible as well as audible.
Okay, good, fine. So just give me 1 minute and then we will continue. Okay, fine. So if you are able to see analogy exercise, I told that the book which I have used for this, it was R.S. Agarwal, and it is available that you can refer for your studies also. And similar questions are from that book only, so you can prepare accordingly. Fine. Let's go here. First of all, we have first type of questions, and these questions, they are completing analogous pair. So completing analogous pair. So similar again, see, analogous pair are same that we people have one pair of words, and we people have to identify the relationship which is there in first pair. And based on this first pair of words, there is another pair also, but in another pair, there is only one word is given and one word is missing. That one word that we people have to find out from the option, and that can be found out based on the relationship which is there in first pair. So people just read this. In this type of questions, two words are given. So two words are given. In fact, in first column, there will be two words. And these words are related to each other in some way. So it is very important to find out in which way or what is relationship between first two words. And then there will be another word. It is also given, and then what is your expected candidate is required to find out the relationship between the first two words and choose the word from the given alternatives which bears the same relationship. It means that having same relationship to the third word as first to bear. So based on this, it is the next slide having your first question. In this slide, we are having some illustrative examples. So illustrative examples here, it means that you might have given some kind of explanation here in this examples. So here you just read. So first kind of word that newspaper and press. These are the two words that we people have to understand their relationship. So can you find out what kind of relationship is between newspaper and press? So here we people have to understand that where the newspaper is prepared, manufactured, or that reach to us. So it is because of the press. So newspaper is prepared in the press, and so we get newspaper. So now here you people have to understand the another relationship, that is one word is given and one you people have to find out. Okay, so cloth is given. So cloth here is similar to newspaper. So we have found out that newspaper it is prepared in the press. So cloth, where it is prepared, and now you go to the option tailor, fiber, textile, factory, mill. Read questions carefully, read options carefully, and then choose. Is there any kind of relationship between these things? Okay, so I'm getting option textile. Okay, so fine. All you people can put the answers in chat box, so we people will have interactions also, and we'll get more options also. Okay, so option yes, I'm getting mixed options now. So therefore, we need to come to the point. So see, uh, textile, that is not the actual word. Okay, Swapnil is saying mill. Okay, okay. So find out. We'll go to the answer right now. Somebody is saying A also. So you people have a lot of confusion in this case. So how it can be tailor? See, tailor sews cloth. He does not prepare. He does not produce. He does not manufacture cloth. So actually, clothes they are prepared. So the I think that the problem or confusion will be in these options B, D, and E. So I think that tailor he does not produce, or fiber is also not the way. Fiber it means actually thread, and it does not make cloth. Okay, so textile, factory, and mill, that is the proper words that you may think remaining three options. So first two options are eliminated. Okay, better we will go to the answer, and then you'll come to know that what your options you have assumed and what is the correct. Okay. Uh, So just as newspaper, it is prepared in the press. So cloth is manufactured in the mill. So those who said mill, that is the correct option. And your correct answer here is option E, that is mill. You people have to understand factory is for producing some kind of material. You can say for getting sugar. Sugar factory is different and mill is different. Usually mill is associated with the that clothes only. So therefore, option E, it is most suitable option. You may have your doubt regarding textile or factory, but they are not suitable options. As far as most suitable is mill in this case. So therefore, option E, it is right answer. If it is clear to everyone, if it is fine for everyone, then we will go to the next slide. And if you have any question, doubts in this question, that time you may just tell me, you may message me. Okay. So with this, we are going to the next question now. Now you people, all of you have to answer here. Similar, very simple question now. And I hope that this time everybody is able to answer. So Bombay, Maharashtra. And similarly, you people have to read Trivandrum. And now you people have to choose from the options. First is Kolkata, second is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Kerala, and Sikkim. So based on this, what option you think is the correct and suitable? Put your answer into chat box. Or you may just unmute and you can tell orally also if it is not convenient for you to chat. So D. D. I'm getting answer D from. Okay, so you people have to answer. All people you can try. It is not. Let it be wrong, but you have to try. Otherwise, unless and until you're not thinking and you're putting your assumption, it is difficult for all of us to go ahead. So Sapnil, Kerala. Okay, so fine. I think that uh, you people are trying to understand the relationship between first pair. So what is relationship here in this first pair? So Bombay and Maharashtra. So what is the capital of Maharashtra? Capital of Maharashtra, it is Mumbai. These days we call it Mumbai, but Bombay, it is the old name for Mumbai. So it is capital. So similarly, you people have to understand Trivandrum, it is also capital for which state from the following. If you think Kolkata, so Kolkata actually it is the capital of West Bengal, or you maybe just think Gujarat is the name of the state here. Actually, you people can understand what the options are given. Rajasthan, it is also the name of state and its capital is Jaipur, something like this. Sikkim, its capital uh, is also somewhat different that you people cannot just see, but what you know about the Kerala. So Kerala, it will be the correct option as Swapnil said, because the capital of Kerala, it is Trivandrum. Its old name is Trivandrum. These days we don't call it Trivandrum. It is now Tiruvananthapuram, for your information. And if you just read something that your general knowledge, I think, and you might be reading some questions related to such general knowledge. So you people can answer, and so you have to answer for these questions also. So Kerala is the correct option. See the explanation given here that Bombay is the capital of Maharashtra. So that is a relationship that we have found out. And similarly, Trivandrum, it is the capital of Kerala. And that's why option D, it is the correct answer for all of us. Then let's go to the next here, number 3. It is, again, you people have to understand a relationship between the first pair, vigilant and alert. So what will come for viable? So your options are active, your options are gentle, or your options are hopeless, or feasible, or useful. All you people just think, apply your knowledge. What do you think that would be the relationship? I would like tell you relationship that vigilant and alert, they are synonyms. So you people have to find out the word viable and what will be synonym for viable. Brit was somebody said option C, hopeless. So how it can be? So feasible. Again, I think that Swapnil, you are just maybe referring, or you might have studied it because of that. So feasible, it is the correct option. Option D, it is correct. Okay, so why you people just try to find out the meaning of the word viable, which mean it is not constant, it is not the, you can say, stationary. So therefore that is viable, and similar meaning is with feasible also. So that's why alert is the synonym of vigilant, and so similarly that viable, it is the synonym for feasible, and that's why option D, that will be the correct answer. Okay, so is it all right for you people? You just try to learn. If you don't know, it is fine, but you try to learn. You people have to practice such questions. That way you are going to proceed. Let's go to the next question then. uh, Now here you have to be very careful regarding this. So doctor and nurse, that is one pair of words, and then see here the fourth word is given, and you people have to find out the third word. So in between, question mark is now here. So people try to understand the relationship between doctor and nurse. Shreyash saying option B. Okay, let's think. Let's will come to the final answer, Shreyash. So doctor and nurse, what happens here? So uh, doctor gives some kinds of instructions and that are followed by nurse. Okay, so here you people, okay, B option, I'm getting option B, option B, option B from many of the students. So I think that will be the right answer, but let's discuss options, other options also, why B is correct and why not others. Because what happens here, that doctor gives some instructions and that nurse has to follow. Similarly your option is B, that leader is the person who is giving some instruction. We can't say instructions here, but he has some kinds of ideas and thoughts, and these thoughts are followed by the followers, and followers karya karte. And these, that's why the same relationship is here between this doctor and nurse. So we cannot relate this employer and follower, we cannot relate option C, worker and follower, manager and follower, or union and follower. So that's why option B is the most suitable and correct answer for this question. Explanation here the same what I just discussed. So option B, all you people try to remember and do it accordingly. Then let's go to the next, and that will be the last for this illustrative examples. Similar questions will be there next ahead. Uh, Cattle and herd. So what will come for sheep? So I'm waiting for your answers. You people just be alert, or you can assume your answer. You just at the end you just try to tell me how many questions of these whatever we have discussed that are correct for you. Flock. Swapnil is saying flock. Okay, so we people have to follow Swapnil, I think. Okay, what about others? If Swapnil thinks flock will come to the final answer, but is it final answer or you think something more different? So first of all, try to understand the relationship. Okay, flock, getting answers similar. So cattle and herd, relationship is here collective noun. So when that cattle, so many cattles, they are together, so that time we people consider it as a herd. So herd is group of animal, group of number of cattle are there, and that we call is herd. So that is collective noun. So sheep. So when there are number of sheep together and they are considered one, so that time what we will consider it. So if you consider the options, you can eliminate options. So how flock will come to it later. Swarm. So swarm is the collective noun for bees, honey bees. So crowd is used for, I think it is for men. So if number of people come together, that becomes crowd. Shoal is for fish. Hmm? So that you people have to understand, if fish are together, then that is shoal it is called. Then mob, again it is for the people. So what left, that is flock here only. So therefore you people have to finalize your answer. So let's see, check uh, that answer. It is the option A, and that was the last option from this uh, illustrative exams. Now you people will have some kind of same questions, but now there will be no explanation, but I will tell the final answer to you people. So better you just again read these questions here, that in each of the following questions there is a certain relationship between two given words, and words on one side of double semicolon is here. So you have to consider, and one word is given on another side of that double semicolon, while another word is to be found from the given alternatives of having the same relation. You should be able to understand what relationship is there with this word, as the words of the given pair bear. It means having same relationship. Choose the correct alternative. Fine. There is no need to spend much time for question. Now you people come to this question and answer now. So the first pair, moon, satellite, and then Earth. So what kind of relationship you are able to find out for Earth? So let's see your options are first one, Sun, B is planet, C is solar system, D is asteroid. Okay. So if you're able to find out relationship first of all, Swapnil, only Swapnil is active. Suraj is saying also B. Okay, come to the relationship. Ketappa, you're saying B. Fine. So what is moon? So relationship is that satellite. So moon is the satellite of our earth, natural satellite of earth. So here we people cannot consider earth and sun, so there is no any relationship like this moon and satellite. Again there is see option B, we'll think of option B, solar system. So there is no any kind of relationship with earth and solar system as moon and satellite is, or asteroid also. So therefore all you people said that option B, that you people have to think, and let's see if you people are correct. That answer is option B, and that is planet. Okay, so you find those who answered, you people all are right, and those who did not tell but assumed or you thought that option B could be, for them also it is the correct answer. So with this we will go to the next question now. And for this question, your first pair is forecast future. And so what will come for regret? Try to understand questions very well. And your options are A present, B atone, C past, D scenes. Okay, so come out now. All you people, see, I can see here almost 50 and 54 students are there. Out of that, only 4 or 5 students they are responding. So option A present. Okay, we'll come to final answer afterwards. Snehal is saying past. Okay, fine. Okay, so past. Sonali is also having opinion of the past. So let's see if past comes or present comes. For that, we'll consider what is forecast and what is future. So really, first pair relationship. Swapnil is also saying past. So forecast means that just talking about what will happen tomorrow, what will happen next month, what will happen next year. So it is related with future. So you're just thinking about, so that will happen and that should happen, and that is the, so forecast is about the astrology. So you're thinking about the future, so that things will happen in the past. So sorry, future. So what is the regret? So regret here, it is related that something that you have done and you thought that it should not have done, it should not be that like that. Actually, you're thinking it was your mistake. So it goes to the past, and that's why. So relationship like this, forecast and future. So regret, it will be of the past. If you're thinking of other options, maybe present, atone, or since, they are not having any kind of correlation for regret. So therefore you cannot consider these options. No A, no atone, or no since, but past will be the correct answer. So all you people, those who thought of this option, they are right. With this we will move towards the next. So your answer is past here. uh, Question third is in front of you, influenza and virus. So typhoid is for what? And your options are bacillus, parasite, protozoa, bacteria. Did fast actually within this 1 hour we are not able to complete many of the questions. So therefore, so I'm getting answer option D, bacteria. Okay, so those students might have studied biology. They are of course sure for the answer. So again, bacteria. So let's think of the relationship. So influenza, that is the disease which is caused by virus. So this way you people have to understand its relationship. So option D, saying Sonali, fine. So therefore typhoid, so because of what typhoid is caused? Is it because of bacillus? No way. Then parasite, that cannot be, because parasite is something that lives on the others life or others, maybe you can say body or something like this. So Swapnil, you think option C, protozoa. So protozoa, it is a category actually or classification that comes under this protozoa. So option C cannot be Swapnil, but bacteria, that will be the correct option, because typhoid is caused by bacteria, not because of any of the options which are here in this uh, question. So therefore, let's see final answer. If uh, final answer is bacteria, so option D will be right. Okay, fine. So Neil, for your effort, it was a nice try. With this, we will move towards the next question. Actually, I'm falling short of time, but let's see how many questions we are able to cover. That will be for better for us. Question 4, first pair of word is fear, threat. So what will come for anger? From options, you can see compulsion, B panic, C provocation, D force. Uh, Meanwhile, we will talk the first pair and its relationship. So fear, threat. What kind of relationship you assume here? I think if somebody threatened, then what kind of feeling arise? So feeling arise, that is fear. So threat is associated with the fear. In the same way, what will cause you anger? Compulsion, panic, provocation, or force? Read options very carefully and choose. You will have very short time. Option C. Okay, so I'm getting option C from Swapnil, Sheetal, Priyanka, Kitpa, Swapnil. Okay, so option C. Option C. Okay, provocation. Okay, all fine. If you have this option, let's think that compulsion cannot be. So it has nothing to do with compulsion and anger. Panic, it is the actually situation. So it cannot cause anger actually. Provocation, as you people are saying, let's think what final answer comes. And again, force is also have no any correlation with this. So I think that all you people are correct. Option C, provocation. So provocation is what? If somebody, some of your friends, uh, they tease you, maybe they are teasing from some of the your maybe drawbacks, that they're talking about your shape, they're talking about your color, they're talking about your height, it may be just making you angry. So therefore provocation, चितावणे किंवा एखाद्याला असं प्रवृत्त करणे, that is provocation, and that's why option C, that is the correct answer for this question. So all you people are right. Fine. Then let's move towards the next question here. Again, this is very simple question. I think this time all students are able to answer for this. So melt, then its relationship with the first word is, that is liquid. So what will be for freeze? Ice, condense, solid, crystal. Shreyash is saying ice. Okay, Snail is saying solid. So Shreyash, think again. So ice or solid? There might be some confusion. So just try to analyze first kind of relationship. Melt. If something is melted, then it becomes liquid. Okay, so these are related to the status. Sorry, not status. What states of uh, different things. So here, so if something is freezed, then in which state it will convert? It will be, if something is freezed, then of course it will be into the state of solid, okay, and not into ice. So those who said ice, I would like to remove the confusion that ice is the state of the solid, but ice cannot be. Here it is not. If it is melt, it is not name of any liquid. It is like milk or oil or something like this. So here it is talking about the state and its the process. If melting, it converts into liquid. If it is freeze, then it will convert into solid. So all those who said option C solid, that is the correct answer, and all you people are right. Okay, fine. Then let's go move towards the next question, where again that we have discussed while the study of different kinds of relationship. Clock, time. So thermometer will come with what? Heat, radiation, energy, temperature. So Suraj having option D, temperature. Temperature. So I think that is again very simple question, and all students are here mentioning option D. So I'm sure that that will be the final answer. So there is no need to think of remaining these options, and here we can lock the final answer, that is temperature, because clock we use to measure time, so thermometer we use for measuring temperature, and that's final answer. Good. Then pay attention to the next question. That is again very simple, and I think this time also all students are able to answer. Muslims, mosque, Sikhs, what? So relationship that the community and their place to prayer. Again, here I'm getting options D from many of the students. That option D, Sheetal, Snehal, Sonali, Swapnil, and Kedar, they have said option D. And here also it is obvious. There is no need to go for any other options like this. So we can final answer, that is Gurudwara, because Sikh people, they go for prayer, they go for worship in Gurudwara. So final answer is D. Let's check that. Yes, it is D, Gurudwara. Then let's move to the next question here also. Now here you just be very careful. This question might confuse you. So paw is related with cat. So similarly, hoop is related with what? What kind of relation you find here? Horse, lion, lamb, elephant. These are your options. So Swapnil is saying option A, horse. Okay, what kind of relationship is there, Swapnil, with this? Kedar is also saying option A. Okay, fine. First of all, analyze the relationship horse option A. Okay, come paw and cat. So this kind of relationship is that if the front leg of this animal, cat, so its paw is that its leg. So similarly, the leg of horse, it will be hoof. So those who said option A, yes, footprints, Snail is saying. So that kind of relationship is with this. So option A, it will be the final answer for this question. So no need to go for lion, lamb, or elephant. They are irrelevant in this question. And final answer, it is horse. So all students, those who answered, so I congratulate them. So let's go to the next, and now think what you can answer in this question. Eye and its relationship with myopia. So teeth. So what kind of the option you can choose here? First one is pyorrhea, cataract, trachoma, eczema. So these are your options, and I think this question might confuse